So I picked this up. This is the Neewer cold shoe wind muff for the ZV-Series cameras from Sony. I've got a Sony ZV-E10 here that we're going to try this out on. So let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box, we've got the instruction manual as well as the wind muff here. So this is what the wind muff looks like. We'll put it on the camera in a moment. This one's considered the black color, and there's also a white color. So the black is black with some white edging there. And then it says Neewer on the side, and it mounts with the cold shoe there. So let's go ahead and put it on the camera. So if you grab your camera, again, this is the Sony ZV-E10. And we take this, there's a little mount there that slides into the cold shoe like that. And it covers up the microphone there, giving it the wind muff at the top. So that's what it looks like on the Sony ZV-E10. You still have another cold shoe mount here if you need it. Then on the front side. And again, that is the Neewer cold shoe wind muff for the ZV-Series vlog cameras from Sony.